bittersweet from the path that I took the last time. Maybe it's 'cause I've changed my ways. I don't think that we'd really be friends after I'd inflicted pain. I decided to give it a rest, and you don't see me swinging that knife around. And you still made a promise to her, so I know your fate is bad. Left with bitter memories, cry out, no, don't wish to see a path carved with echoes made of screams only to give up on me. Left with bitter memories, cry out. I wish that I could see emotions clouding the path that was ahead for me. Maybe after some time you could see that I've changed, but who's really that determined? The mistakes that I made, are they really so grave? Will they remain? Close the game, it's really starting to freak me out. How do I undo all this mess? This is no restaurant, it's more like a place to make me think through my sins. How could I apologize? I've only spared, shown mercy until here. Simply resetting won't let me start from the very beginning. Taunting with those eyes, I know you wish were only blinded minds. And I know that I'd be dead right where I stand, so keep your promises. Press continue to stay, press reset to replay, but I don't think I could ever reset for good. Seems we're at a stalemate, but I will not abate. Don't make me a killer, keep true to what you told her. Press continue to stay, press reset to replay, but I don't think I could ever reset for good. Seems we're at a stalemate, but I will not abate. Don't make me a killer, keep true to what you told her.